Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating pen snowflakes in Scratch 3.0. So now let's get started. So you can draw line sprites like these of different colors and different sizes, just that it should be a straight line. Now in this project the direction is the most important thing. So first when the flag is clicked, we'll add the pen extension. Yes. Then we'll set pen color to this color. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block pointing direction 0. That means upwards. Set pen size to 30. Go to X and Y respective positions. Then we'll go to the pen section and we'll take erase all. Pen down. After that we'll go to controls and we'll take the block repeat 15. Inside repeat 15 we'll go to motions and we'll take move 2 steps. Wait for 0.01 seconds so the animation works out smoothly. Change pen color by 0.1. Duplicate the script. Change repeat to 16. Repeat 16. Move 2 steps. Wait 0.01 seconds and paint pen size by -2. Pen up, set pen size to 10, set pen color to this color and go to X and Y respective positions. Pen down, then we'll take the repeat block again. Repeat for 80 times. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block, move 2 steps. Change pen size by -0.1. Wait for 0.01 seconds. Broadcast a new message named DT. Now we'll just forward this code to the second arrow and we'll change the values like pointing direction 60. Yes. Drag it to the arrow number 3 2. Point in direction -60 again. So we'll do this for all the arrows and in total we have 6 arrows. So point in direction 180, point in direction -120, point in direction 120. When the flag is clicked, set pen size to 2. Set pen color to this color and go to X and Y respective positions. Erase all. Pen down. Repeat 34, move 2 steps and change pen size by -0.5. Wait for 0.01 seconds. Change pen color by 0.1. Set pen size to 20 and set pen color to black. Pen up. Move 8 steps. Wait for 0.3 seconds and repeat 10 times. Pen down. Move -2 steps. Change pen size by -2. After that we'll go to pen section again and we'll take pen down, set pen color to this color and set pen size to 4. Repeat for 9 times. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block, move 2 steps. Change pen size by 1, wait 0.01 seconds, change pen color by 0.1. Repeat 10, move 2 steps. Now we'll drag this code to the second sprite. Now we'll change the values like the directions. Yes. So we'll do this for all the sprites. So in total we have 6. Now we'll do coding for the other lines. When I receive DT, pen up, go to X and Y respective positions. Set pen size to 12. Set pen color to this color. Pen down. Repeat for 10 times. Change this 10 times to 8. Repeat 8 times. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block, move 10 steps. Change pen size by -1.5. Change pen color by 0.1. Wait for 0.01 seconds. Pen up, move 12 steps. Change pen size to 10. Pen down. Now we'll drag this code to the other blue arrows. and we'll change the values like the direction, -23, and the positions of x and y. Drag it to the other ones like this. To the fourth one, change the values. To the fifth one, again change the values. To the sixth one, change the values. To the eighth one, and again we'll change the values. Yes. Now only 2 are left. And the last one, we'll again change the values. So we'll change the values like the positions and the directions. So we'll take it as go to the respective positions, and in the last blue line, we'll broadcast a new message, NDT. Now we'll code for the yellow lines. When I receive NDT, wait for 0.5 seconds, pen up, go to X and Y respective positions, set pen size to 10, set pen color to the respective color, pen down, repeat 5, move 10 steps, change pen size by -1.5. Now I will drag this code to the other yellow lines. Like this, we'll change the values to the third one, to the fourth, the fifth one, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Yes, now we'll do coding for the green lines. When I receive LAS, last, set pen color to this color and pen up, go to X and Y respective positions, set pen size to 2, pen down, we'll go to controls and we'll take the block, repeat 7. Move 2 steps, change pen size by 2. Now we'll drag this code to the other green lines, like this. To the third one. So in total we have 6 green lines. To the fourth one, and we'll change the values again. Now we can test out a project. So if you liked the project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.